All right, now that song was a power one. Now I want you to think, well, I'll give it away. It's somebody that's blonde. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Okay, let's talk about something harder today, and it's called structured references. And notice the square brackets, and then I have the word in here called the field name. It's a database terminology on that. So in my little worksheet right here, I have a true table. Again, click inside, I look up on top, table tool design. And what I like to do is add the bonus with the current salary to get another column right in here. Now, when you work in a table, it doesn't really want you to refer to J2 plus K2. It doesn't want to do that anymore because it wants to treat every single row, which is called a record, the same way. So what we want to do is add in a calculated field. Calculated field means it treats every record the same and no more copy and paste, no more usually an autofill because it will automatically copy your formula right on down or your function. So I'm going to click over here in L and type in equals. Now I'm going to use the point and click method because it adds in a symbol for me. So I'm going to click on J2 and then look up in my formula. See how it's saying at and then the word bonus. Bonus is the field name. The at sign means for this row. So wherever my function is, it's going to look across for that same row. And then I'm going to put a plus line and then click on K2. See, for this row. It's very important to notice the at sign. It's also notice the square brackets because the square brackets tell Excel that it's a field. So I hit enter and mine's set up so I have to hit the override. Sure enough, it goes down to every single one of these. Shift control arrow down to select them all to put a comma, or I can format it any way I wanted to. But as you look, and I'm going to click down a little bit, hit my F2 key. See how it's that same function all the way down, but structured reference at this row for this field, at this row for this field, and then do what I asked. Now, there's another cool thing about your tables. If your table doesn't automatically expand like mine did, we have this little doohickey down here. And I call it the old-fashioned grandma photo holder. I don't know if some of you guys had grams out there that had that. But if you move your mouse, double-headed arrow, click, hold on, drag it over, you can expand your table just in case if it doesn't expand for you. All right, did you name that song?